Electric vehicles have gone from niche to mainstream, but the luxury segment is where things get truly wild. In 2026, luxury EVs aren't just about being electric, that's a given. They're redefining what luxury means, blending cutting-edge tech, jaw-dropping performance, and sustainability. These cars are more than transportation. They're rolling statements with interiors that rival first-class lounges and tech that pushes boundaries. We're diving into the most exciting luxury EVs of 2026, breaking down their specs, but more importantly, what sets them apart. From solid-state batteries to next-level autonomy and materials you've never seen in a car, this is the new wave of ultra-premium EVs. Forget incremental updates. This is a turning point for luxury on wheels. Ready to see the future of opulence and innovation? Let's get started. First up, the Porsche Taycan Turbo S, already a legend in the world of electric performance and a name that's become synonymous with cutting-edge technology and exhilarating driving dynamics. For 2026, the Taycan Turbo S has been completely re-engineered, pushing the boundaries of what's possible for electric vehicles and setting a new standard for the segment. The new 105 kW battery doesn't just offer more power, it delivers a real-world range of up to 330 miles. That means you can enjoy spirited drives through winding roads or embark on long-distance road trips with total confidence, knowing you have the range to match your ambitions. Thanks to Porsche's advanced 800-volt architecture, charging is faster than ever. You can go from 10% to 80% in under 20 minutes, making quick pit stops a reality and keeping you on the move. When it comes to performance, the numbers speak for themselves. 750 horsepower, all-wheel drive, and a blistering 0-60 time of just 2.2 seconds. This is hypercar territory, delivered in a four-door luxury sedan. The acceleration is instant and addictive, pinning you to your seat every time you press the pedal. Yet, Porsche hasn't forgotten about comfort and luxury, ensuring every drive feels special. Step inside, and you'll find the cabin now features eco-suede made from recycled ocean plastics. It's a perfect blend of sustainability and style, with every detail crafted to elevate your experience. Rear passengers are treated to a brand new 12-inch OLED entertainment screen, transforming the back seat into a high-tech lounge. Whether it's streaming, gaming, or just relaxing, the Taycan makes every journey enjoyable for everyone on board. Subtle aerodynamic tweaks, striking new wheel designs, and advanced matrix LED lighting keep the Taycan looking fresh, efficient, and unmistakably Porsche day or night. Porsche is doubling down on what matters most: breathtaking speed, impressive range, and a truly driver-focused experience. All of this comes with a renewed commitment to sustainability and environmental responsibility. The 2026 Taycan Turbo S isn't just the benchmark for electric performance sedans, it's the one every competitor is now chasing, and the one to beat. For those who crave the thrill of driving above all else, but also demand the latest technology and a sustainable approach, this is the sharpest tool in the shed, no compromises required. With the 2026 Taycan Turbo S, Porsche proves that the soul of a true sports car can be electric, and, in many ways, better than ever before. Next, we enter the realm of ultimate luxury. Meet the Rolls-Royce Spectre, now powered by a groundbreaking 120 kWh solid-state battery. This isn't just an electric car, it's a statement of what's possible when tradition meets the future. This technological leap means you get over 400 miles of serene, effortless range on a single charge. Forget range anxiety, just pure, uninterrupted opulence, whether you're gliding through city streets or exploring the open countryside. Rolls-Royce has meticulously engineered a sanctuary of silence. With advanced acoustic glass and a foam-filled aluminum frame, the cabin is so quiet, you'll hear only your thoughts, or the gentle hum of luxury itself. The iconic Starlight headliner returns, now with mesmerizing animated shooting stars that dance above you. Up front, a 48-inch panoramic display transforms the dashboard into a living piece of digital art, customizable to your mood. In the rear, the seats become a true lounge, complete with a built-in bar and cooler. Imagine sipping a perfectly chilled drink as you glide along. This is luxury, redefined for the electric age. Activate Level 3, Silent Mode Autonomy, and the Spectre takes over on highways. The steering wheel retracts, ambient lighting shifts to a calming hue, and you're free to relax, read, or simply enjoy the journey in total comfort. The legendary Pantheon grille is now beautifully illuminated, while the Spirit of Ecstasy hood ornament has been aerodynamically optimized, blending heritage with cutting-edge design. Dual motors deliver effortless silent acceleration, what Rolls-Royce calls waftability. It's a sensation of gliding, not just driving, with power that feels endless and smooth. The Spectre isn't about numbers or specs, it's about an endless, seamless surge of power and comfort, creating a driving experience that's as refined as it is exhilarating. This is the most Rolls-Royce has ever made, fully electric, yet more opulent, innovative, and serene than ever before. The future of luxury has truly arrived. Mercedes-Benz's EQS SUV is the S-Class of electric family haulers, packed with cutting-edge technology, supreme comfort, and a strong focus on sustainability. It's designed for families who want to travel in style, without compromising on environmental responsibility or the latest innovations. A massive 130 kilowatt battery delivers an impressive 450 miles of range, making it a true long-distance champion for families who love road trips. Fast charging capabilities mean less time plugged in, and more time exploring, so you can confidently plan adventures near and far. The 56-inch MBUX hyperscreen dominates the dash, now sharper and smarter than ever, with AI that learns your preferences and anticipates your needs. It seamlessly connects navigation, entertainment, and vehicle controls, making every journey intuitive and enjoyable for the whole family. Airmatic EV adaptive suspension scans the road ahead, smoothing out every bump for a magic carpet ride. Whether you're gliding over city potholes or cruising on the highway, the ride remains composed and supremely comfortable for all passengers. The interior is a showcase of sustainable luxury. Vegan leather, recycled nylon carpets, and responsibly sourced wood create a refined, eco-conscious space. Every detail is crafted to elevate comfort while minimizing environmental impact. Ambient lighting sets the perfect mood, while advanced air purification ensures a healthy cabin environment. The Burmester 3D sound system immerses you in rich, concert-quality audio, turning every drive into a wellness-focused escape. Rear-axle steering makes this big SUV surprisingly agile in the city, allowing for tight turns and easy parking. It's a large vehicle that feels nimble, even on crowded urban streets. The third row is actually usable, offering real space for kids or adults, making it a versatile family flagship that adapts to your needs, whether it's carpool duty or a weekend getaway. The EQS SUV blends Mercedes' classic comfort and safety with a forward-thinking approach to electric mobility. It's a harmonious mix of tradition and innovation, ensuring peace of mind and luxury for every journey. For those who want maximum range, state-of-the-art tech, and a serene drive for the whole family, this is the ultimate family EV, redefining what it means to travel together in the electric age.